Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you how to use UTM to install a virtual machine Kali Linux on Macbook with the Apple M1 chip. First of all, make sure you have UTM installed on the Mac. If you don't have UTM installed, you can find the link in the description to download and install it. Now we need to download Kali Linux installer for Apple M1. You can find the link below to get the official release of Kali Linux for the new MacBook with the Apple M1 chip. Here we click download, then click bare metal, then we can choose the version Apple M1. There are three options to download. I choose the version installer. You can download the ISO file directly on browser, or you can use torrent to download it. I have already downloaded the installer image to my laptop. Now open the UTM program. We are going to create a virtual machine and put the Kali Linux image to install. Here click plus to start from scratch. We name the virtual machine with Kali Linux and with the story operating system. Then we choose the icon of Kali Linux. For the system setting, we need to choose ARM64 architecture, and we can use 4 GB for memory and set the default CPU. Next, we will create two drives. The first one is used for operating system. We can set 20 GB for this drive. And the second one is used for booting installer file. Then we click save to close this window. Now we need to browse the ISO files that we have the download. Now we are ready to start installing Kali Linux. So click here to start. We can use graphical install. We can choose English. Next and continue. Here we can set the host name. I will set Kali for the host name. Then we can click continue or enter to continue. Domain name, we don't set domain name, we can continue. Full name for the user, I can set my full name. And username for my account, username, I can set the password. Then enter to continue. I can set our time zone Eastern. Here we can use entire disk to install the operating system. Enter to continue. Then enter again. Then enter again. And enter again to continue. We need to choose yes. Enter. So here we can also choose genome and enter to continue. So here we just enter to continue. So to finish, we need to enter to continue. So we have installed Kali Linux on UTM. So that is it is how to install Kali Linux. We can check some application here. We also have Wireshark. We have wireless application. We have a web application analysis. So that's it. Thank you very much. See you in the next videos. Bye.